Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to track your order on DHgate. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is go to dhgate.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you did that, all you need to do is go and log into your profile or go and register if you do not have a profile. If you do not know how to register, you can always go and find that on our YouTube channel. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official DHgate website where we have the search bar, all the categories. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. We have your recently viewed stuff, your favorite stuff, and your shopping cart at the end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and track your order on DHgate. So it's pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. What you need to do to follow your order, track your order, however you want to call it, is go to the top right corner, then click on your profile. You don't need to hit, you just need to hover over your profile, then click on My Orders. It will bring you to the Your Order page where you can see click on My Orders here, and you'll here have all your orders. If guys, you have orders, you can go and see on awaiting shipment, and here you can go and track it. At the moment, I don't have any, but be sure guys, when you have an order, it will be here in the awaiting shipment or the payment or wherever it is in that time of process. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, then I hope that you will like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.